So this week's word of the week for week number 25 is WOD. Now, WOD is an abbreviation for workout of the day. This is commonly used in gyms as well as CrossFit boxes. WODs let individuals know what exercises they will be doing for that day. Again, workout of the day. So make sure you guys get ready for your WOD or your Fast 5 workout of the day as well as your activity of the day. And we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 25 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have scissors. Exercise number 2, we have squat jacks. Exercise number 3, we have side shuffles. And exercise number 4, we have planks. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 25. Exercise number 1 is scissors. I will start with my left foot forward, right foot back, and then I'm just gonna switch, alternate. Right leg comes forward, left leg goes back, and I'm gonna go back and forth. Okay, those are what I call scissors. That's exercise number 1. Exercise number 2, we have squat jacks. So I'm gonna get to a nice squat position, feet shoulder width apart. I'm gonna drop my bottom, come up, and when I come up, I'm gonna do a jumping jack. Squat, jumping jack. Okay, those are called squat jacks. Then we have side shuffles. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to my left. And what I'm gonna do is kind of like a high step. I'm gonna step right, come up, step right, come up, step right, come up. So it's gonna be called a side shuffle. So it should look like this, full speed. We're gonna side shuffle, and then we're gonna go back, leading with your left foot. So 3 to the right, 3 to the left. Okay, got side shuffle. So exercise number 4 is planks. So we're gonna go and do a either a push-up plank or a forearm plank. It's completely up to you, whatever your levels are. So I'm gonna start with a push-up plank. So I'm gonna make sure my hands are facing forward. I'm gonna stand upright like I'm doing a push-up, and I'm gonna hold that push-up position in a push-up plank. Again, if you wanna challenge yourself and do a forearm plank, make sure you guys use your forearms, not your elbows. And you're gonna hold yourself up for 30 seconds. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 25, and we'll get started in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Scissors. Okay. Forward and backwards. Alternating your feet. Let's go. You guys focus on breathing, breathe in, breathe out. Let's go, my friends. Remember Mr. Garcia's motto, just finish. Whatever you start in life, just finish. All right, get ready for those squat jacks in 3, 2, 1, and go. Squat, and nice job. Keep up the good work, my friends. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. Get into those side shuffles. Again, I'm going to lead with my right foot first, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Knees up, kind of like karaoke, but you're not crossing your legs. Launch on your arms. Get that dynamic exercise in. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Planks. Push-up plank. Round 1 for me. Focus on breathing. Back is straight. If you need to, take a break, quickly stop down, get back up, challenge yourself, the whole 30 seconds, my friends. Get ready to go. Let's go. You're doing great. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, rest, my friends. 1 minute rest, 1 minute rest. I feel it already. If you guys are enjoying these fast 5 workouts, make sure you guys high five that subscribe button, high five that bell notification, as well as high five that like button, my friends. If you have not had a chance yet, make sure you guys check out Fast 5 Workouts on YouTube. That is my second YouTube channel, which goes straight to these Fast 5 Workouts. So make sure you guys head over there and subscribe there as well. Alright, so we're going to start with those scissors. This time I'm going to start with my right foot forward, and then I'm going to have my left foot take back. I'm going to go and start at a side angle so you can see from a different perspective. Different angle. Alright, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. Alternate. And switch your feet. If you want to challenge yourself, stay on your toes the whole time. Again, try to do as many as you can. Challenge yourself to do more than you did the first round. Now that you know what we're doing, let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, switch. All right, let's go squat and jacks. Good job, my friends. Let's go. You're doing it. You're doing an amazing job. Let's go. Keep it up. Just finished, my friends. 3, 2, 1. All right. Side shuffles here. 3, 2, 1. Go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Three, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. Forearm plank. Last 30 seconds, my friends. Backs are straight. Challenge yourself. Focus on your breathing. You guys are doing awesome. Keep up the good work. We're almost there. This is it, my friends. This is it. Challenge yourself. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Awesome job, my friends. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Virtual fist bump. Awesome job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 25. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was the most challenging exercise from today's Fast 5 workout? Again, don't forget to drop a comment down below what exercises you would like to see on a future Fast 5 workout. Drop a comment down below. And don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Hot Shots. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so here's the setup for Hot Shots. Now what you're going to need is to create your own racket out of a paper plate and a spatula with some tape on it. I'm going to use this plastic ball that I'm borrowing from my son. I have a hula hoop attached with a little clamp and a pole, and this could be a cone, it could be some type of base. If you guys want, you could even tape it up against a wall, okay? So that's going to be your setup for this game of Hot Shots. Alright, so now for level 1, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to pop up my ball and try to make it land inside or through the hula hoop. Now I have 2 spots on the floor. I have one right here at 5 feet, which is for 1 point. If I want to challenge myself and go from 8 feet away, I have a second line right there, and that's going to be worth 3 points. So again, I'm going to go stand behind. I'm going to strike my ball and try to make it land inside of the ring. If I do not, that's okay. I'm going to retrieve it. Try again. That would be worth 1 point right there. Come back. Try it from 8 feet away. And again, if I make it, I get points for that. Okay. I'm going to have 1 minute to try to score as many points as I can.
3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, 1 point. That's 2 points. 5 points. 6 points. 7 points. 10 points. 11 points. 1 point. 13 points. 14 points. 15 points. 16 points.
Time. So the total score was 16 points. Jordan's up next. All right, here we go. So Jordan's up next. He's going to do the 1 minute challenge. Again, he's going to try to strike the ball and try to make it land inside or hit the back of the wall. Okay. The 5 foot mark is 1 point. 8 foot mark is worth 3 points. So here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, 1 point. Oh, trying to do a double whammy. That's acceptable. That is allowed, my friends. 2 points. Just missed. 3 points. 4 points. Jordan's ready for the rally, are you? 5 points. Oh, just missed. 27 seconds left. 6 points. 7 points. Just missed. 10 points. And 11 points at the buzzer. Jordan finished round 1 with 11 points. Alright, so now we're moving on to level 2. Now what I'm going to do is strike my ball, make it land inside the hula hoop. Every time it hits the wall off the hula hoop, that's worth 1 point. If it goes outside of the hoop, it does not count. My goal is to see how many points I can make inside the hula hoop in 1 minute without it hitting the floor. Score 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 was my highest, and we'll go from there. 3, 2, 1, go. 1. Alright, so start over. 1 is my high score. 1. 1 is still my high score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so 12 is my high score. I'm going to start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, go up. 14. Alright, 14 is my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And time. So I believe my high score was 14. Can you read my score? Drop a comment down below. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still up, has not hit the floor. 6. All right, 6 is the tie so far. Start over, reset, let's go, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right, 6 is still his high score. 29 seconds left. 1, 1, 2, 1. And time. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Hot Shots. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, ways you would modify it. Drop a comment down below. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at ThePESpot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.